Hey guys, we're back and today
we have nothing.
Yeah, we do. Pull it up. Use the force. No, Barbie. By the way, this is not mine. Just gonna go out with the scissors, or I could just make magic. Bippity boppity boop.
Ah! Well, let's open. There's no tape? Oh. You can open it like this. Hiya.
I swear, guys, she's the one who made me bring scissors. Not dumb.
Because of this. You'll see what this is for. Get this thing out.
Let me just...
Oh, look.
Okay, the doll's already out. It's showing the doll. Yeah. Wait, don't touch anything there. I have scissors.
I'm touching them. Hey, I got an idea to get this thing out. I got an idea to get this. Should I take these two dresses out?
No.
Oh, well, I know how to anyways.
Alright, so the hair. Yeah. So show it to them. Not get these out.
Oh, and it's so nice to be. It's so nice to be out of that. Ooh, my purse. I forgot about it. Put my purse on. Now I'm shopping. Oh, hey, can I get like hair extensions? Oh, thanks. Let me put it on. Yeah, let me put it on. Let me put it on. This thing's hard to open. There we go. Opened it. Where should I put it? Put it on here to make a ponytail.
2 dresses, and that's all it comes with.
Hey, it comes with one more thing.
That isn't nothing.
Then it's nothing. Okay, so should we style her up? Come on, let's.
Sure.
Okay, so let's put this dress on her.
And so let's get these out. I'm not going to show you the naked doll. Just disgusting.
Christian. Hey guys, we're gonna let you guys pick out the one you like. Say in the comments which one is the nicest.
So let's put this one on for now.
Okay. I'll take her hair up. I'll take her hair up. So we can put this on. Oh God, you almost broke it. Okay, up. I'll take her hair up.
Okay, it's done.
Should we put this?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, put it on. I got her hair all put up. Okay guys, we're not done outfit 1. Okay guys.
This is so hard.
Tell us what you think of outfit 1. Say in the comments which one's better. Outfit 1. Make it slowly.
Alright, so now time for outfit 2. Fine, I finally know how to open this thing. Do know how to open this thing.
I do.
So hard to open.
Yeah, we're gonna put this on.
Oh, it's your mouth.
This one. This one. This one. Okay?
First, I'm taking this out.
There we go. Don't see our naked self. Look at the dress.
Look,
Look at the dress we're putting on her. Golden dress.
They didn't see anything good.
Hey guys, look. This is the girl at the back. La 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 la. Hey, wanna read the back? Wrong way. Is the right way? Wrong way. Read it. You guys can't read it? Whatever.
I would like.
Hey guys, read this. Read this. Read this. Read it.
That's nothing.
Na 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 na.
This section then stuck.
The earring came off.
There. She has earrings?
Yeah, she does. Here.
They must pay the
Here they are.
price.
Here they are. You just have to split them apart. That's what I'm going to do. Then you put the earrings on.
This is hard.
There we go. Now, we need to put the earrings on her. I'm kidding. This is droppable.
My
No, no, no.
God.
Hey guys, want to be cutted? Cutting my hair. Look at the hair falling.
Here, let me help you out.
Don't cut it. Cut it, baby. Na, na. Christian! Christian, stop!
Fine, I'm gonna cut a little bit.
There's no... Stop!
I didn't cut anything.
Fine, I'll cut you.
No, no, no.
Don't cut anyone's hair.
This is not going on.
Want me to put it up for you? I'll do.
So, how to burn?
Guys, it's so hard to do this.
Then alright. Hard.
I have an idea. Put you here. And then push you up. Push the dress up. Put the dress up. Put the dress up. You get the dress up.
Ooh.
Did you guys see anything? Okay, good. You guys didn't. I didn't see anything. Da da da. No. Purse fell. Na 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 na.
This is so hard. You know what? Outfit 2.
Everyone will say no to this.
Outfit 2.
And now the last outfit.
This better be easy.
Oh, it is. Oh, this goes in here. Okay, get it. Wait, 2 of them are? Oh. Told you it was easy. Okay, so we should put these 2 on her. Put these 2 on her. Yeah. It's almost outfit 3. Oh, yeah.
There's no outfit 3. Oh, yeah, this is outfit 3.
Don't show them the outfit. Get down. Hey guys, look at the sparkly. Look at it. Look at the sparklies. Sparklies. Hey guys. Sparklies. Hard to put on. Here, I'll click it in. Or whatever.
So hard.
I'll click it in.
Why is this so hard?
Use your mouth. My gosh.
Fine.
There you go. Okay, now put this on. Put this on. It's almost outfit 3. Yay.
Boom.
Outfit 3. Alpha 3. Blah, 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 blah.
Fine, I'll put it on this one.
Yeah, pray.
I think I know a way to get it to stay.
Thank you.
Popular C, the popular C ever, yeah!